Kia ora whānau, thanks for joining me on our first POUNAMU Group Fitness. It's all about taking little steps to better health and well-being, back to where I was once, and here we go again. Aha kohe iti, he POUNAMU. Morena. Ngā mihi o te ata. Hau mai hara mai ki te whare, te Aoitepö. A me tōna tikanga. Hei manaki tangata. Hei aki i te mana o te tangata. Nō reira, ka mihi nui kia koutou i tēnei ata. Nau mai. Haere mai, whakatau mai. Tō tātou karakia i tēnei wā. He hangai ana ki te wānanga. He wā me te wāhi mo te ako. He wā me te wāhi mo te mahi. Mahi a te mahi. Anō reira ko te karakia tua whā i tēnei ata. Arā. The essence of consciousness. Te Māori a te mātauranga. Nā te kukune, te pupuke. Nā te pupuke, te hihiri. Nā te hihiri, te mahara. Nā te mahara, te manako. Nā te manako, te wānanga. Nā te wānanga, te mātau, haumie hui e, woohoo, tai ki e. Ngā mihi o te ata whānau. E mihi atu ki tō mātou whanaunga, a Conrad, Noema, te Noema, a me te rōpu waiata, ko Maia, a me tō rātou waiata, puoro nei, e waiata mai ki a mātou. Kia ora whānau. I didn't know whether I was going inside or outside, so we're going to start in here. I've called it the car park workout, but to be honest, our group today, it's POUNAMU Group. POUNAMU Group. My mate brought me a POUNAMU one day. His name's Te Awe. He brought me a couple actually, but POUNAMU, treasure. That's us. That's you. I remember a time when I wasn't feeling the best, but I thought of these things. The POUNAMU, the treasure. And I think the thought today is aha kohe iti he POUNAMU. Aha kohe iti he POUNAMU. Although it is small, it is still a treasure. And one by one, all of us coming together, we're all our treasures, we come together, we take these little steps to better health and well-being. Aha kohe iti he POUNAMU. Small but important steps towards coming back, towards better health and well-being. I think I've been there a couple of times, and I don't know where I am at the moment, halfway between McDonald's, halfway between doing a workout, but I know I have you guys, and so welcome back. I thought I'll take us out on the road today. I'll take us outside into the car park. Hopefully it's not too windy. I don't even know if you can hear me, but give me some thumbs up if you can hear and you're ready to go. To be honest, it's one of those let's work it out as we go workouts, like I always do. You're sort of prepared, but trust the wairua and what you have within you. Work with what we have. One of the first words I learned when I was learning the reo, because you've got to get the dictionary out, and I went into the A section. And it says, I come across this word, it says, ahu whenua. Ahu whenua. And, you know, the old people might come to you and say, I ahu mai koe I here, where will you come from? Where would you come from? Oh, I come from hene ahu one. Yep, ka whai, but where did you come from? Oh, iahu mai oku tipu na kei te tai rāwhiti. sort of like that. But ahu whenua, like farmers and like our people came here and all the early pioneering peoples, they tilled the land, ahu whenua, to provide for their families. Our farmers, we have farmers out there, ahu whenua. But it was all about providing kai and sustenance for yourself and your whānau. But today, whānau, through all the different things and times, things that have happened along the way in our whānau, they have all had to learn how to adapt and become adaptable. So today I think the word ahu whenua, for me, it's about adapting and not turning the land, but turning our hand and becoming adaptable. And it also, I'd like to think the word today means becoming busy, becoming industrious minds, industrious spirit, industrious tinana, and becoming industrious and adapting to the situation, whether you're locked down, whether you're rich, whether you're poor, but let's just adapt. Anyway, I'll try and take us out on the move today. This could be a shocker. I don't know if you can see me, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to do a little workout, aha ko he iti, he pounamu. So let's make a start. I've got my car keys, he whakatau key, I got the car key, I got some peaches for lunch, or they could be weights, but we just have to adapt. Next week I might get some real ones. I got an inu wine. I got some suntan lotion just in case Hene Raumati turns up. And I got my Speedos in the boot. Oh no, that's for the car. I got my sounds. We're ready to go. Bring your towel just in case you see Hene Moana. Woo-hoo, let's go. I got a stopwatch and I don't know how to work it, so I'm going to bring the whole clock on the wall. Yeah. Get ready. Bring some stuff. Get ready. Have a drink. If we get a workout done, we'll be lucky. Shot you guys. Hey, welcome along. Kia ora Paura. Kia ora koutou katoa. Kia ora Roy Matua. Kia ora Kahira. Kia ora Mau. Kia ora koutou katoa. I don't even know what songs are coming on, so don't copyright me. Long ago, let's go! Bring the whole clock. Bring the whole kitchen. I'm going to turn this off. I don't even know if it's working. Kia ora matua Roy. Let's go matua. Bring the whole couch. Let's go. Sounds are off. Try and bring everything out. Get the kids in the car. Let's go. Oh my God. If I drop the camera, it's Tawiata's fault. Hold on tight, everyone. We're on the go. Yeah, grab some. Hope you're there. Yeah. Let's go. See you tonight, darling. Oh, my car's still there. It didn't get towed away. Mean. Here's the car park. Don't tell my landlord that's him down there. Kapai looking good. No police. Alright, let's go. Hold on tight. If I drop you, sorry. You owe me a new phone. Hopefully you can see. bring you out into the light. Let's go set us up. Get ready. Holy cow, I'm tired already. Kia ora koutou, kia ora kamina. Welcome back, kamina. Good to see you guys. Don't even know if you can see this. I'm doing anything so I don't have to do a workout. Come and have a look in the waka. Look at my stopwatch. You like it, eh? Don't hang around for that one, kamina. So, here's some stuff I used to do a while ago when I was getting into it. Don't know if you can see it, but good luck. If you look at the 6 parts here, if you look along the top, you got press up, squat, scissor kicks along the bottom, knees, jump, skip, flies. I'll just break it down. Maybe if we think of our body in different parts. So we start on the blue one at the top, that's upper. So anything I do there, that's for the upper. So we got wide press-ups. Those are all different press-ups. Anything I can do and improvise with to do some upper body workout. There's about 20 in there. We'll work through them when we do the car park workouts. The lower, we got squats, squat hold. We got a whole range, dumbbell squats. We got hip flexors. We got leg raises, sexy legs, jumping jacks, and we got lunges. So those are all for the legs. Edward scissor hands, this is for the core. All these are for the core, so I won't be doing any of those, you know, because that's why. Baby cobra, these are all to do with the core. Knees, this will be all about cardio, boxing. This is all about burpees. I didn't see that one. Burping, jumping. This is plyometric. This is all about like being springy, like doing not squats but jump squats and things like that. I don't know. When I used to talk about it, I used to know what I was doing. Don't lock those in there, eh? Cool. And these ones, these are apparatus. So these will be about isolated muscle groups and kinners and power, kettlebell swings. These are for TAKOHA and whoever wants to do that stuff. But hopefully you saw that. Give me a sign if you saw that. It's a bit dark in there, eh? Hopefully you saw it. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, we'll get a little workout in. I'm just going to work it out. These are exclusive lives. They are. And you guys are too. Dragons and Demons. This is our theme song for Patua Te Taniwha. Hopefully, let me know if that's okay, guys. So we'll go round. I'll start over here. Just making sure you see my sexy legs. might start over there for they use the car to lean on, because I'm always pushing the car. Cool, I'll be able to push the car. Then when we've done upper, we might hit the wall. You might hit the wall. So it's like, hit the wall. You might do some leg squats. Some police lineups. Okay, so let's hit the wall in the police lineup. And then you might be going down south. Don't tell the landlord, keep it quiet. Cool. Then you might be running down south. Okay, that's down south. And then we might be, holy hell, on the home straight, and we're going to Aoitepö. And I don't know what we'll be doing there, but hopefully the 30 minutes is up and that's enough for today. I'll find something. Kia ora Roy. Mean, you guys, mean. Let me know where you're from, Māori. Kia ora Kahira. Kia ora Toho. Yep, POUNAMU Group will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. POUNAMU Group Fitness, all of us, we make one big medi. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, on Saturday, we're going to be doing POUNAMU Group Tiki Tours. So you'll either be walking or running. I want you to bring a treadmill. Just bring one. Pull it out of the cupboard because you're not using it. A treadmill, a rower, a cross trainer, or whatever you got. It's 1:15, Mr. Wolfie. Squats. No. Press-ups. 3 times. Easy ones, harder ones, and then pushing the car. Press-ups wide. Press-ups bicep. Press-ups diamonds, a girl's best friend. Press-up sumo. That's enough. Let's start. I ain't got no enemy, but if you test me, test me. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2. With a smoke, there's fire. The smoking. Nothing can stop the fire. How many? Let's go for 8. I nearly died the other day doing those press-ups. Could you see my pants? They split. Nice little ones. This is me on the bonnet on the car window. Alright, we're going to talk about something old and something new. Don't lean on the car. Okay, check out this booty. It's 8 either close for your triceps. I know you can't see me. Okay, hands in close. Just bring your hands in close and focus on those huge biceps. Triceps. I ain't got no enemy, but if you test me, test me. Halfway, that's you, brother, pushing yourself off the table, away from that McDonald's. Feeling it. Me. Right, one more set and that's upper done for today. Stop mucking around. Okay. No looking. You'll be that busy doing press-ups you won't see me. Wide. Spread them wide. push off like that, that's a plyometric press up. Just saying, don't tell any experts, I'll say rukahu.
What would you say if Palemon comes for you? What would you do if Palemon comes for you? Yeah, I'm gonna run and step up to the safe groove, come down to the dance hall, do the side shade gripper. Come on and dance with me to the rhythm of love.
Ko he iti. He iti. Woohoo, let's go.
We got some good karma.
Good karma, holy hell. Please line up.
Come share with me, yeah. Cali herb man mixed with the sound system. We got some good karma. It's good marijuana.
This is the closest I'll get to skiing. Push.
What you gonna do if Palemon comes for you? What would you
Knees
do
together.
if Palemon comes for you? Yeah, I'm gonna run and step up to the safe groove, come down to the dance hall.
This one, Kizzy.
Come on and dance with
Yeah.
me to the rhythm
Three
of
more.
love.
Right down.
Cali herb man mixed with the sound system. We got some good karma, it's good marijuana.
Holy hell.
Share with me,
They hurt.
Cali
Okay.
herb man mixed with the
Hit the
sound
wall.
system.
Wall sits. Just sit and hold till I say, till the waiata tells it's enough. Let's go.
Cali herb man mixed with the sound system.
Up.
Cali herb man mixed with the sound system.
Just checking if you're still there. You better be doing it.
Sound system.
It hurts. Bring everything 90 degrees. Your knees, your arms. Let's hold it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna die.
We got the herbalizer. We got the herbalizer. We got the
I need some sounds to help me. Anything could happen. It could come onto a karakia or anything.
herbalizer. We got the. I'm coming.
Oh, that was a good one. Never mind, let's go. I need to pump it up. Holy hell! It's all Ngā Puhi's fault. Woo-hoo. One more. Freaking hell, they hurt. We've got to do the whole haka, let's go. Be late home tonight. Mean shot, guys. We're on the way. Time to move. Let's go down south. Just walk it out. Keep moving.
I gotta get away sometimes. Oh yeah, I got to get away. I gotta slip away sometimes. Oh yeah, I got to slip away to my special place. I woke up, yeah, on a cloudy day. I'm feeling blasé, blasé from last night's party. In the back of my mind, I gotta work today. Couldn't find my shoes to la-di-da-di. Excuse me, sir, me car broke down. Me missus left me with the baby now, and I can make that day today. It might have to be another day. I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Ooh yeah, I gotta get away sometimes. Whoa yeah, I got to get away. I gotta slip away sometimes. Oh yeah.
If you've got dodgy knees like mine, you're a dodgy fella.
My special place.
Go backwards.
I woke up, yeah, on a cloudy day. I'm feeling blasé, blasé from last night's party. In the back of my mind, I've got to work today.
Dodgy workout.
I couldn't find my shoes to la-di-da-di.
I'm using it for Iron Māori.
Excuse me, sir, me car broke down. Me missus left me with the baby now, and I can make that day today. It might have to be another day. I said I'm sorry.
Yeah, you'd be laughing on the inside when I get you.
I said I'm sorry. Ooh yeah.
Look, mate, no hands.
Got to get away.
Let's go, right down, baby, come on.
Got to slip away. We're not turbulent to our special place. I got to get away. Slip away to me on reality.
Let's go, guys. Aoitepö. Bringing it home, guys. Let's go. Yesterday was just the beginning of your life, and your future self is gonna thank you.
You're a friend of mine, and think that somehow I've changed. Well, don't you worry, cause there ain't nothing strange. Cause yesterday was just the beginning of my life. You know I'm always losing, doing everything wrong. Wait and see, there'll be a change from now on. For yesterday was just the beginning of my life. I've lived my life like a crazy fool, making trouble and messing with school.
too much, guys. Yesterday was just the beginning of our life. Thanks for joining me. Yeah, smash out a good hamburger, a good day. If it is a hamburger, put a gherkin in it or something. Have fun, celebrate your absolute uniqueness. Love you guys. Take care. Kia haumaru, take care of yourself. Tia kina te pā. Look after my own backyard. Tia kina te pā. Try not to be a liability for my family. I might get us in trouble with the police sometimes, but tia kina te pā. Myself, yourselves, ourselves. Kia aroha ia tātou, let us care ourselves. E rongo, whakaerea ki runga. Kia tīna. Huie, tai ki e. Nā te kukune, te pupuke. Nā te pupuke, te hihiri. Tui, tui. Nā te hihiri, provoke the thought, te mahara. Nā te mahara. Oh, I remember we've got POUNAMU group on Thursday. Nā te mahara, te manako. I hope I can make it. Nā te manako, te wānanga. Workouts with the whānau. Tis done. Gathering momentum. Get those baked bean cans. Get your gear ready. Get your cross trainers out. But don't get cross, and I'll see you on Thursday. POUNAMU group. Aha koe eti. He POUNAMU. Hey, ko nei rā. Oh, can you give me a hand up, cuz? Well, there you go. Kia ora koutou. Thanks. Sorry about all the madness, but it just helps me get through it. Do what you do to got to get through. See you again Thursday and also Saturday. Don't forget to dust off those apparatus. See you there, whānau.